Water meter leak indicator moves once in a while. What is driving me a bit not sure recently is that the water meter leak indicator sometimes can move a bit over a long period, say an hour or a few hours. My water meter is a Procoder meter, same as below. I guess the smallest interval for the red leak indicator is 0.0001 cf, which is about 0.1 ounce or 2.8 milliliters. Not sure if my reading is correct. The red indicator sometimes can move a few intervals 10 milliliters over a period of a few hours. But sometimes it just makes no movement over a period of a few hours. I wonder whether this is acceptable? I cannot figure out what is happening. I do have a 40-gallon water heater and a water expansion tank too. 1 gallon. I sometimes wonder whether it can be just temperature fluctuation which causes either the water or the air in the expansion tank to expand. Any suggestions? By the way, I am doing this because the house had some pipe work and garden sprinkler lines done recently, and I am checking for possible leaks. Question from user Max Sim at Stack Exchange. Answer: Max, with that small of a LD quo leak RD quo, I would not worry about it. But I may try an experiment where you turn your water heater off for several hours and see if it is any different. This test may be more accurate if some hot water was used after the water heater was turned off, so the cooling down or cycling of the water heater might be eliminated as the cause. But 0.001 cult is a very small amount of water, and probably not worry about, as it is not a consistent leak and may be due to water heater temp cycling. Answer from user Ed Beal at Stack Exchange.